Hi, I'm in Tucson, Arizona, and I am gonna ride that backhoe.
That's right.
Here I go.
Here I go, but I'm going to have some help this morning. So first, here's my helper coming outside. And what he is going to do is start that backhoe. But first, he has to open the door. Let's see what he's going to do. There, now the door is unlocked. Next, he is going to start that engine. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Oh, I see a foot on the brake. Okay. You see a foot on the brake. That's step one. Whoa! It started right up.
We need the lights off in the daytime. It's bright outside. We have the sunlight.
That's right, we do.
We need the lights off. We need the lights off in the daytime. It's bright outside. We have the sunlight.
That's right, here it
Mama.
is. It's the sunlight. How nice this is.
Bye.
Okay, bye. I'm going to drive down the road and show the video. Bye. But first, I have to put on my seat belt. So first, let me do that. First, I'm putting on my seat belt. And there are some of the gauges in this vehicle, in this backhoe. Okay, here I go. Bye. Here I go. Bye. And here I go. Driving in the backhoe. Oops, it's too hard to drive, and here comes another vehicle, so I'm going to have to stop the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.